I know that you were going to say that. Well, uh, uh, Draghi was far more dovish than expected, and he made two big statements. One is that they can, sorry, review the amount of quantitative easing, right? That they will try to do so in December. And the second one is that they consider to cut rates even further into negative territory. Both are not actual measures, but as we were discussing before the press conference, he did his best to down talk the euro, and so far he made it, right? I guess the market was not expecting such a huge disappointment coming from Draghi, but the usual, we will see, we will wait, we will adjust, we can extend beyond 2016, etc., etc. Anyway, the fact is that the euro has seen a sharp drop so far, 11.77 in my charts. And the fact is that the pair is now consolidating. The dollar was benefited from the Draghi because it's higher across the board, of course, with an equal strength with other currencies. But anyway, the pair is now in correcting mode, as I was saying, and I would expect some consolidation in here, maybe a small pullback ahead of the US opening, right, which is in 25 minutes or so. But if you take a look at stocks, are really cheering up, particularly if the European indexes continue advancing, okay? And the other thing I'm watching right now is that gold is breaking lower, right? A fresh weekly low. It has been in a sharp recovery and then it starts consolidating, correcting. It's now below the 23.6% retracement of that rally. And I do believe that we have a major support around 11.58, so we can make test that level. I'm pretty surprised of pound that is being dragged lower and holding barely above 54. But I don't know. It's about what US traders do. Sorry, Wall Street close, Wall Street opening. Sorry, right now.
Okay, thank you, Valeria. Well, there is a question for in the chat that is 120.45 in dollar Japanese yen. If there is a sale or not, this is a question, but I know that that pair is your favorite. So a special approach there. What do you think?
Yeah, well, we commented earlier that this level is a huge resistance technically, and if you take a look at charts, the price has been retrading from it many times in the past. So the first approach resulted in a pullback. I don't know, beware guys that if stocks continue rising and strongly, the pair can break higher and maybe run another 30-40 pips, not that much. So I won't be a happy seller right now in here, right ahead of the US opening. I would like to wait and see, because if we break above it and open above a 1 hour candle in here around 2040 or so, the pair can extend its rally towards 21 before finding a huge support resistance. This is the level now, 21.30 area. That's the one I will be watching for selling at high levels.
Okay.